Alright, so hello Leute. While I was working on a new detail area to, get the rust off my fingers while I'm mapping, I decided to try to use the prop physics override entity to see why it isn't used more in maps. It's like a fun little thing. I found out pretty quickly why. And here's the first bug. So when the bottle, is moving around, it kind of phases through the atoms of the player, and you kind of just get stuck, can't move, you're stun locked.
Nice throw!
You just merged with the bottle, so you gotta hit it again. And I gotta tell you, in the middle of the game, that's not gonna be too fun.
We have taken the enemy intelligence.
And there she is. Now with the implemented V-script, I've been seeing a lot of new game modes coming. But really, seeing this, you could probably make a golf, bowling, hockey game just by using these prop physics. Not very well, mind you, but something to try out. I don't know. Now I just loved making this room with all the cool lighting and the little dust particles. Oh man, it was good. Now what you're mostly seeing is me just trying to get the wheel upright so that it can roll, because, that's kind of what it was built to do. It was fun at the time. Sometimes I'd even get the wheel to jump. Now, I don't really understand the physics behind that, or the coding, but it's a little silly, it's a little funny, it's a little preposterous. I almost got it up the ladder first try, too. And then never again. So while I throw the tire around a bit, I guess I'll kind of explain why I needed to use prop physics override instead of just prop physics. From what I understand, a prop physics needs to have some kind of physics coding already built into the prop or the model. What a physics override does is it overrides the wireframe, the movement, whatever, of the model to make it a physics object. So of course the model needs to have a wireframe or a collision box to even work. If you can see here, me hitting the bottles and the wheels. The fact that the wheel can even turn, or roll, shows that it has the working wireframe shape, whatever. You don't need to worry if your model doesn't have collisions though, because you can use a kind of surgical workaround to do it by using a prop dynamic connected to I think a funk physic. Hold on. Okay, I just looked it up. Function Fizzbox. Spelled PHYSBOX. Looking back at this now, there's probably like 20 easier ways I could have done this, but this is more fun for me. You gotta trust me on that.
Medic!
We are not gonna talk about it. I want to take a second to mention the skybox. This is probably the first type of open world skybox I've really worked on in this Source engine. So I I think it's all right.
Cheers, Nick!
I don't think I'll really be able to explain the next minute or so. So just sit back and enjoy. I think by this point I was trying to get this tire onto the top of the stack. Maybe I'd done it one time before, I'm not sure, but I don't get it now.
We have lost the enemy intelligence.
Alright, so first things first, I want to extend a thank you to anybody who actually watched through this goddamn video. The map I was running around the whole time was a little project I made for the TF2 Maps Art Pass Club, where they give you a template area and you have to detail it however you want. And while last time I tried to invent a whole new fantasy castle theme, for this one I decided to just dig my heels in, go with the usual industrial loading zone TF2 style, and really just polish my skills and get some sophisticated dust motes, lighting, texturing, all of the above. And personally, I'm pretty proud of how this came out. I think this is the best detailing job I've done in a while. This is my first time using a lot of the tools, really grounding down on the skybox, all of the different lighting and the lighting types, like the spotlight effect. Getting the fog right, getting the colors right. This is my first time really just digging into every aspect, and I think it really paid off well. I had a lot of moments where I was staring at just giant squares that didn't look like anything, and I was a little disheartened, but once you start and you keep going, it really comes to you. I experimented. When stuff didn't look good, I got rid of it completely. Sometimes I tried to use stuff that worked, redid it, and after a few tries, it'll come out nice and sturdy. So again, thank you for watching, and have a good day.